Welcome back. Mrs. House is still in her house. Oh, wait, this isn't my house either. Okay, well, let's go. We'll go get down to business. So today is Thursday, April 16th. We're going to have a catch-up day, kind of a review day. Okay, our test is tomorrow on Friday, and we also have a Google Meet today in case you want to review or ask any questions or anything. I just kind of like to see you also. That would be nice. So anyway, we'll click on Thursday is the catch-up day for review. Here's where the video is going to be, and I just thought, you know, my son was listening to this from his school, and I thought that is such a good song to sing. So here's your chance. Take a little break. Sing I'm Good, because that's about what it is. Okay. What we're going to do is finish up anything you haven't done so far. Okay, here is the Schoology worksheet that we did first using the Quizlet. Okay, if you want to click on this link, it'll take you straight there. If you want to find out more about it or the whole video that I did talking about how that lays into the day, you can go look back at April 1st on that link in that folder. Okay, same with the Edpuzzle. This will click on it and then it'll take you to how you logged into the Edpuzzle if you still haven't had a chance to do that. The Schoology worksheet on the phase change lab. This was the one we did after we watched the lab online where the ice melted and turned into steam. All three phases. Okay, using your phase change notes that I gave you, and I guess then afterwards, since this one didn't go as well for many of the people, it was only 5 points and you can only take it once. Okay, I offered this next one, which was state of matter phase changes, and it was a lot of the similar concepts, which are going to be the concepts on the test. Okay, and I gave you another video to watch, and I also went over your phase change notes. So between the two of these things, hopefully your score should increase on your state of matter phase change worksheet. Okay, if you need to review the Quizlet again for the matter vocabulary, would be great to review before the test. If you'd like to come at 1 o'clock to Google Meet, okay, here's how you would Google Meet. Okay, first we type in Google. You go into your Google account. Okay, do you see I have these little waffle thing up here? You click on that, and then it will load, and you go down to the Google Meet. Okay, at this point, it should pop up where you want to either join or start a meeting. You can click on this, and my meeting always will have the code house class, and then you click continue. And then at that point, here's where you see, oh, it says join now, so you can join into the class. Up at the top, mine, yours may or may not say this, but it says, would it like to allow you to use the microphone? Yes, then you can hear the people or use the camera that your computer has. So that would be good. If you want other people to come, you can send them this link. Okay? Otherwise, have a nice day and we'll maybe see you at 1. Bye!